First and foremost, I would like to thank our bosses, Sir Jack Gindi, Ma'am Gindi, si Miss Anne, and lahat po ng staff ng Relumins for this 6 years. And ang dami ko pang natutunan. Thank you so much po. Kasi nag-start ako with Relumins talaga. Parang nagsa-start pa rin lang ako ng practice ko for aesthetic. And sobrang daming scientific innovations ng products ng Relumins. So, I stick pa rin up to now. Yun lang. So, super happy ko. So, parang naiiyak ako kasi ano na siya, 6 years na. So, hopefully, more years to come. Stay safe. Di totoo, naiiyak talaga ako. Welcome to Relumins Official, your go-to for skincare, beauty tips, and real results. Unbox, learn, and glow with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos.